With new and engaging ways to reach audiences popping up all the time, making your marketing stand out from the crowd can make all the difference. Ahoy, I am Jean, and welcome to the first in a series of videos where we at Wax share some insight into what makes great marketing creative. For this first video, we'll dive into creating digital ads for the healthcare industry and some important aspects to consider for your marketing campaigns. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. That way, when we go live, you'll get notified. For ads that require animation like online banner ads or Google display ads, there are a few different options when choosing the file format. But one particular file type can really jazz up your creative with fluid animations, video, and a host of other benefits. The HTML5 banner ad. For a long time, creating ads with any type of animation or transition effects typically meant using GIF format, which led to lots of grainy, low-quality 8-bit graphics and limited display capability. Consider the fact that GIF hasn't evolved much since the technique was put into practice in 1987. However, the dawn of the HTML5 renaissance ushered in a new era of digital advertising possibilities, showing as much as a 267% increase in click-through rates and engagement lasting up to 36% longer than with traditional static ads. So what is HTML5? Firstly, let's start off with some basics. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the coding language used to create multimedia content such as online ads and web pages. It is the digital DNA that makes up the internet. HTML5 simply means it is the fifth and most current version of this hypertext markup language. Since these ads are based on HTML code, they can function like mini web pages and contain multiple file types. And since this language is open web standard, it can be supported by every type of web browser on every operating system ever. Now that we've covered what HTML5 ads are, let's go over some of the key benefits. Number 1. No third-party plugins. Because HTML5 is native to and supported by all browsers, you don't actually have to install third-party plugins or other software programs in order to run an HTML5-based script. All you need is an up-to-date browser and nothing else. Number 2. Sophisticated storytelling. HTML5 ads allow us to use multimedia elements like animation, video, vector, and static images. This gives us full creative control over a banner's design, which allows for a consistent branding aesthetic across platforms. Number 3. Everywhere, all the time, all at once. HTML5 ads are able to be distributed across the entire Google display network, which means when your HTML5 banner ad is on Google, you have the ability to reach out to people on the sites that they read while they're perusing their Gmail or scrolling through YouTube. HTML5 banner ads can also be used across social media giants like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now that you've seen the superiority of HTML5 banner ads, you're probably wondering how your healthcare brand can harness the power of this technology. Luckily, here at Wax, we've got HTML5 ads down to a beautiful science. Simply get in touch at waxcom.com if you need an extra pair of hands, claws, or even a few tentacles to tell your brand's story.